Creating a personal development plan that can help you grow in life and beyond. Patronize yourself, focus on your own individual personal life that can help you enhance your goal in life and actually focus on what you love and what the goal you've already set up. Maybe shorter term or longer time that you want to work on and you want to focus on. So I've believed and I have been using it ever since, that without time management that you can never achieve your goal or your careers in life. So if you don't really know how to achieve your goal with your time management or to set up your time management, I've already made a 5 tips for us and how you can manage your time effectively. Right here is coming out right here, you can see, and click on it so you can get how to manage your time effectively. So in today's video we are going to talk about how to create a personal development plan with a realistic target and focus. Welcome, I'm Christinam Felix. If you are here for the first time seeing this face, welcome also. Thanks for watching. So let's get into her tips. Firstly, I'm going to tell us that we should define her goal. Define your goal. Assess where you are today. Plan where you are. What are your plans? What are your targets? What are your budget? What are the careers that you are going to focus on? The second point that I'm going to talk about is patronize what you have written. You have to work on every day. Check all the plans that you've already wrote down. Pick the most important and the most valuable ones that you actually focus on, that you actually based on in life. That will be your target and your focus, that you will be working on it and you will be setting the plans for it and you will be working on it. Maybe you want to change your career. So the third point I'm going to tell us is set a deadline. Set a deadline. When do you want this point or this goal to get works out to happen? When do you want all these goals to happen? Set a plan and started building on yourself. Keep on working on it and try to work on it every day by day. The fourth tip that I'm going to tell us is to understand your strength. Understand your strength where you are. Understand how the capable of what you can do. Understand your personal developed that can help you and that can enhance whatever you are, the plan that you've already set on and the plan that you are going to focus on. The fifth point that I'm going to tell us is recognize any opportunity. Any opportunity that can come on your way, make use of it and quickly grab it so you can actually get your goals or your plans that you've already planned or your budget that you've already scheduled in life. Without having a personal development plan in life, you can never achieve your goal. So I thought you can actually plan and create a personal plan that you can actually be effective in life and that can actually help you grow beyond your expectation. Realistic targets will help you grow fast and will help you meet that your point or the plans or the goals that you've already set on point. So try to build yourself and to develop a new skills. Encourage yourself and input another knowledge from others with your own career. Learn how others that are already successful, learn how the others that are already successful with their own plan or with their own goal and it has already works out for them. So learn their plan so you can actually achieve it and you can actually apply it on your own goal or your own career. So try as much as possible to develop a new skills and a knowledge with yourself. It will actually help your goal. Point 7 that I'm going to tell us is to measure your process. Try as much as possible measure your process. Focus on the point or the project that you are going to focus on. Focus actually means the point of concentration. Focus on the attraction, focus on the point or the activities, the attention that you need. You will actually get what you plan and the goal that you want to achieve in life. So the last but not the least is to get support. Get support from others. Let others motivate you. Let others inspire you. Let others inspire into your life. So learn from others the points and learn from others how they've already been successful in life. So I actually learned a lot from all these tips. So this is what we are going to talk about today: how to create a personal development plan with a reality target and focus, and try to focus on your life. I thought you've learned a lot of things in these tips, and I thought these tips has already helps you, and it will also helps you to grow in life. Thanks for watching.